I'm Dr. Madeline Chu from Mobile Doctor Clinic. Our company is MW Global and we provide hospital care at home for the ELTs and super ELTs in their home. And we hope to service the community and the aging population. At peace with the people around you, your family, your friends, associates, and at peace with the environment. I think that's the new era's definition. The most important component is to be at peace with yourself, because not every one of us can be as successful as Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, but we should be successful in being who we are. Achievement comes in small steps. So our first achievement in my mind is that we have done a 20-year lead. We were 20 years ahead of people in delivering hospital care to home. It sounds like a big thing, but if you remember years and years ago, we are talking about 200 years ago, actually there were nurses and there were women folk who had tended to elderly and to the sick army people at home. Still, we are very proud to have achieved this, to have brought hospital care at home for the last 20 years to Singapore. The next big thing is our move into the digital world. The digital world, of course, in the last maybe 12, 24 months has moved by leaps and bounds with the recent launch of the LLMs and so forth. And at Mobile Doctor Clinic, we have already started moving into digital world even when we were right 20 years ago. We had medical records that were all digitalized. We had task, we had prescription that was digitalized because of the way we need to operate, because we are operating from different locations for different patients. Finally, the biggest achievement, and I think this is an important thing for us, is to develop people. And we're very proud that over the last 20 years, we have developed mobile nurses, groups of nurses who have graduated to become competent community nurses. We have worked with therapists to form mobile therapists, which can provide care, both physiotherapists, occupational therapists. And finally, we have also gone into logistics, where we have established MW Ambulance to send our patients for their care and their specialist visits and consultations in the hospitals, and then come back home to their care. So for me, I am not stepping out of my training. I am still a doctor. I developed these new ideas because of my interaction and because of my work with the patients. So entrepreneurship to me is just very hardworking student for the career. Winning this Oscar lookalike SME 100. I'm really happy for the company because this shows that we are just not just clinically capable, we are administratively, and we can pit ourselves against the best and the countries actually. There are companies in other countries also participating in SME 100. And with this, of course, is the drive to maintain the standards. And for us, there's a clinical standard as well as the business and administrative standards. And also to adapt to this changing world, because the world seems to be moving much faster than in yesteryears. And how do we achieve this? I think I have to thank the team for working hard consistently over the last 20 years. We hope that SME can grow with us, and we hope to be able to work with the rest of the SME 100 to achieve our best.